Yes, children. Now the second method of finding out HCF by prime factorization. So again I'll be taking the same example so that the methods are absolutely clear to all of you. We are going to use the prime factorization method. So again, what you have to do, you have to write down the same method that I have shown in my earlier videos for finding LCM. So factors of 8 we will divide it by prime numbers. The prime numbers are, very good children, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are prime numbers between 1 to 20. We have more prime numbers. Okay. So we start with 2 because this is an even number. So 2 is the prime number. It will go 4 times. Again it will be divided by 2, 2 times. Again it will be divided by 2 till we get 1. Likewise we will find out for 12. So 12 will be divided by 2 6 times. 6 will be divided by 2 3 times. 3 will be divided by 2 1 time. So we have 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. And 12 we can take as 2 into 2 into 3. Now, what you have to check for finding out HCF? You have to check the numbers which are common in both the given numbers. Like 2 is common in both 8 and 12, and this 2 is again common in both. 2 and 3, they are not with pair. They are not forming any pair. We don't have an extra 2 here, neither we have an extra 3 here. You have children, what you have to do? You have to find the common pairs. If the pairs are common, the HCF will be just these 2 are forming one pair, so we take single 2. These 2 are forming another pair, we take single 2 from this, and the HCF will be 4. As we have already seen here, the HCF is 4. This method is called prime factorization, where we just take the numbers, use the prime numbers to factorize them, and then find out the HCF. Children, please see, HCF here will be the common of the two numbers. The numbers that are not common, they are not taken. They are taken for finding out the LCM. You can find LCM by this method. These two that I have already said, the maximum number of times 2 is repeated is 3 times, 2 to the power of 3, and 3 times 1 is repeated, 3 is repeated only once, so we take it only 1, and our answer will be 24, as we have already solved in the previous video. So by this prime factorization you can find out LCM and HCF both. I hope children it is clear. Please practice with other numbers also. Thank you.